Okay, we are on in-class practice page 1B and strip number 1-7. We notice that we're just asking for PRs and QRSs here. This is a funky looking PR and a QRS, so let's take a look at it. First of all, make this any bigger. You see that this P wave starts by going up and then goes down. This is called a biphasic P wave, meaning it has two parts, like a bicycle, two parts. This is common in this particular camera angle with the lead setup that we put on this person. This lead is set a little bit to the right of the heart on the person's body, and so sometimes we get funky P waves, something that we'll talk about at another time. To measure this PR interval, you'll need to start, here's the end of the T wave, the ST segment and T wave here, and then we have our flat line, and then this right here is where that P wave starts. So we're going to start there, and we're going to measure it until the beginning of the QRS, which is very easily looked at and visualized. So looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 little boxes. So I'm going to say that the PR interval is 0.16. QRS includes all of this here. So the QRS begins, let's see, we have the P wave, it went up, it went down, and then there's a little straight line here. And then it very sharply veers from the line and goes straight up. That is our R wave. So you'll start measuring then. It drops down, drops below the baseline. So that's what we call an S wave, as it follows the R wave. And then it jumps back up again for a second R wave. Again, we'll be talking about these weird QRS configurations. But again, this is all QRS because we haven't done any straight lines yet. So you leave here, start your QRS measurement here, and you will go until the point where you see him going sideways again, because sideways can never be part of the QRS. So you have to decide where this R wave comes back down to the baseline and where he's going more sideways than he is going up and down. So start over here and end right, I don't know, about there, which you can't see because of my little plus sign that I can't get rid of. Roughly this little box, this little box, this little box, and all of that little box. So 4, 8, 12, 16 at least. Might even be 18. I don't have calipers that I can use on this machine. So 0.16 at least, may even be more. Okay, so we have a PR and a QRS, it's the same thing.